video I'm going to show you how to remove the support style diffuser and install the performance one. So to do it, all we gotta do is remove these two screws, one this guy in the middle, that guy, and we got two more on the other side. So once we have undone the screws, all we need to do is pop the clips out. To get a basic idea, you can look at the new diffuser and kind of match up the clips and pop up from one problem I ran into is, like, if you guys have the rear parking sensor like I do, then you may have to stick your hand behind this white thing and then undo it from there. Got the rear diffuser off. And this is how the car looks, by the way, without the diffuser. So once we got it off, now let's align the new one in and plug everything back in. I couldn't film the whole process because I just had like two hands and I gotta have to hold it tight. So the trick is you have to stick in the tabs first. So you start from the middle, keep moving to the sides, keep sticking in the tabs. Once the tabs are stuck in, then you screw in the bolts. Mine was aftermarket, so the thing was one of the holes didn't line up, but that's not a big deal because the side one is holding it and I got the center one to hold it on in place. So yeah, once that part is